Hey there everybody, it's Chloe in Real Life, your Knott's Berry Farm berry blogger. So I'm very sad to say that Boysenberry Festival is coming to a close. It's over this Sunday and I am very sad about it. But lucky for you and me, you can actually get boysenberry treats throughout the year. Here's some of the products that Knott's Berry Farm sells that are boysenberry flavored, but you can still get all the time, not just during the Boysenberry Festival. And so I thought that I wanted to extend the Boysenberry Festival because I'm not really ready to say goodbye yet, and make my own boysenberry meal. I'm really excited about this, so let's go! Alright guys, now that I have my totally awesome boysenberry apron on, I'm ready to get started. I wanted this meal to be super easy, whether you're coming home from school or work. I just wanted it to be super easy that even if you're busy, you can still enjoy the boysenberry deliciousness. So I'm going to start out by making some boysenberry chicken strips. And I just got these frozen chicken strips from the grocery store, and I am going to cover it in boysenberry barbecue sauce. So I'm just going to cook them following the instructions on the bag. Alright, so while my chicken is cooking in the oven, I decided that I was going to make a nice salad to go with my meal. So I decided, because here I have the boysenberry dressing, so I thought that I would get some arugula to go with the boysenberry dressing because it's sweeter and more tart, like a boysenberry, and the arugula, it has more of a peppery taste, and I thought that they would balance it out really nice. Some almonds for crunch, and some craisins to give it an extra little bit of tart. So let's make the salad. I'm going to start off with just a small handful of arugula, and then I'm going to add some dried cranberries. Something I'm sad that Knott's doesn't have is dried boysenberries. It's an idea for you, Knott's. Doesn't dried boysenberry sound so good? So we're just going to add a few craisins, and then we're just going to add some almonds. And then I'm actually going to hold off on the dressing because I don't want it to get soggy by the time the chicken is done. Alright guys, so my chicken is done. It smells amazing. Here it is. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of boysenberry barbecue sauce, use my tongs, kind of toss them in the bowl so they're nice and coated with boysenberry barbecue sauce. Oh my gosh, it smells so delicious. So I'm just going to add a little bit because you can always add more, and you do not want any of this stuff wasted. So we're just going to kind of toss it around, spread it around, make sure they're all coated. Every time I go to Knott's Berry Farm, I always have to get the boysenberry punch, and before it was only available within the parks, but they have come out with a boysenberry concentrate that comes in not only regular, but also sugar-free. So it's wonderful all around. And so I'm going to make my own boysenberry punch. I'm using sparkling water, but you can use regular water. And I got the triple berry flavor because I thought it would blend really nicely with the boysenberry. And usually it calls for 1 part concentrate to 3 parts water. I figured I'd be doing 1 cup of sparkling water to 1 tablespoon of boysenberry concentrate using these totally beautiful little measuring spoons. They're boysenberries. You can get these at Knott's Berry Farm. So you can make this drink however you want. You can make it super sweet or you can make it not so sweet. You can really just play around with the recipe. We're going to do 1 cup of this. That is perfect. And then keep in mind that you are going to be adding cotton candy, so it's going to be a little bit sweeter. So I have plated my chicken strips. Now I'm just going to add my cotton candy to my drink and my salad dressing to my salad. So I'm just going to take a little bit of cotton candy, and then I'm just going to place a toothpick here. You're just kind of spear it through and then just lay it on top just like that. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of salad dressing. So I'm just going to add a little bit. Oh. Plus, can we talk about the color for this salad dressing? I'm pretty sure it should win an award for the prettiest salad dressing ever invented. I mean, it's pink! Look at how cute! This salad looks gorgeous, the drink looks amazing, and these chicken strips just smell amazing. So, let's try it! Alright guys, so here is our amazing boysenberry meal that is homemade. So let's try it. I think I gotta start with these chicken strips because they smell so good. That is delicious. So what I did is I originally tossed them in the boysenberry sauce, but then I put them back into the oven a little bit while I was making the salad and the drink, and it kind of like baked the boysenberry into like the breading, and then I added more after when everything was ready, and it tastes like it was meant to be boysenberry chicken strips, not like I just added some boysenberry barbecue sauce to the chicken strips. So I would definitely recommend doing that. It is delicious. I'm real excited to try this salad. Just as I thought, the flavor of the boysenberry dressing is very sweet compared to the pepperiness of arugula. And it is a wonderful, wonderful combination. The craisins are good, the almonds are delicious, everything just fits together really nice. So last up, we are going to try the drink, and I'm really excited about this cotton candy. So we're just gonna... Oh my gosh, that was so satisfying. That is so good. This is a perfect boysenberry meal. I would definitely recommend this. I mean, it was super easy to make. And of course, even though we had a little bit of a sweet treat with the drink for our boysenberry meal, you gotta have boysenberry dessert. So I took some vanilla ice cream, boysenberry honey, and a little bit more boysenberry cotton candy. Whoa. Looks beautiful. And then we're just gonna add a little piece of cotton candy. Oh, looks so cute. So here it is. So here is my entire boysenberry meal using the year-round boysenberry products from Knott's Berry Farm. And this is just one meal. There's still so much that you could do with just these things. In fact, leave a comment down below of some of your meal suggestions, including these boysenberry treats. So if I had to pick a favorite, it would probably be the chicken strips. They were so delicious. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video just like this one. I'll see you all next time. Bye!